right, so now it's my turn. We've got heat wrap for exhaust to holes. I've got a couple of clamps. We've got a few holes to fix on the exhaust system. Finding an exhaust for these has proven to be problematic. It's 1974 and they don't often think about those things. So we are going to patch for now and hope that it handles what we need it to make the $4,500 mile trip. All right, so I don't know if you guys can see this. It's kind of hard to see from this, but this is one of our holes. We've got another one right over here. So it's going to be a little bit of fun times had to get it fixed. This is pretty rusted, so we will ultimately have to replace this, but right now we just want to make sure that it's sealed and safe. So that's the goal right now. So that's what we're doing. Okay, so now we're going to do this. 5 seconds in water. 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, 4, 1,000, 5, 1,000. That's all it says to do is 5 seconds. And then we're going to peel off here and we're going to start wrapping around this hole. Once we get it on the first little bit, we can tighten it up a little bit. It's not going to be pretty, obviously. But the point is not pretty, the point is functionable. We're going to use this whole roll. We have a total of 3 rolls for the different spots that we have for this particular exhaust to hopefully seal, secure, and have no more leaks. That is the goal.
At least you don't have to pass emissions with this truck.
You don't have to pass emissions in Missouri anyway.
Good point.
Missouri does not require emissions testing.
I don't think Alaska does either.
And Lincoln's saying he doesn't think Alaska does either. Okay, so we've got that on.
Where are the other cracks?
Up there. So
I see
now,
one right here.
yeah, there's one on the Y. Okay, so this is our wrap. So now we're gonna carefully try to separate this with these gloves on because we don't want to get this stuff on our hands. Crap. You gonna hold that in place for me? Got it? Thank you, bud. My helper, Lennox. Oh, darn it. I'm clumsy.
Yeah.
Okay, so now we're gonna apply this.
Move hand.
Not just yet. Hold on. Okay, move your hand.
Move oil tape in.
And ideally, I should be able to wrap this nicely and neatly. Chances are, it's me. That's not likely gonna happen.
Very good.
See this too, right?
Yeah, I know that one.
And there's one here.
We know about the one on the Y.
That one's not too bad. I'm not gonna miss your mom's tree.
Not gonna miss Mom's tree?
Not in a bit.
Are we tired of monkey balls?
Holy cow. I didn't break my foot and I'm sick of them.
Yeah, so what Lincoln's referring to is when I broke my foot in October of, was that 18? No, that was 18 because I was pregnant in 19.
Yeah, 18.
So, the instructions say this foil stuff just has to stay on until it's cured, so it doesn't have to be pretty. This is basically just to hold it in place.
One roll on?
Yeah, this is one roll.
How
I've
many
got
rolls I buy?
3. Okay, so that's 1 down, 2 to go. All right, we're at spot 2. This is right here. You can see there's the holes here, just little rust hole throughs, things that we would be concerned about long term. The biggest hole was the one that we did before. So we're gonna do this spot again. Gonna wrap with the heat tape, and then we've got one other spot that has us concerned. Otherwise, it looks like that should do it for the exhaust and make things happy. At least we hope so. That's the goal, at least. So I'm gonna get my gloves back on, get my pit crew over here to hand me stuff as I need it. Show you guys the next spot we're fixing, get that done, and then we'll be done with the exhaust for today. So right here is the last spot we're gonna fix, and this is gonna be the most complicated because it's right on the Y here. I'm hoping I can wrap this in such a way that it'll work. It's gonna not be very easy to do.
I have an idea.
I do too. I know how to do it. I'm just letting people know. So this right here is where it's broken. It's not all the way across, but this is another spot of issue that we want to address. So I'm gonna get my gloves back on, give my pit crew over here the heat tape so that he's got it ready for me when I'm ready for it, and then we're gonna get the stuff soaked. Okay, so that's our work on that. We're going to clean up and let the boys take this thing for a test drive. Hopefully everything goes well. Okay.
Fell again.
Alright, so the boys are going to go test drive it and see how she holds up with the new with the brakes split properly. Hopefully that exhaust will make things. It's already a little quieter, to be honest. It's not meant to be a quiet truck, so, you know, one of those things. Remember, this is a 1974 Ford F600, so these are not meant for quiet. These are meant for work. These are work orders, and that's what we want. So, and then I did the exhaust. I patched the exhaust today on Catoosa.
That did get done as well.
Got that done. I think it's good. We haven't.
No, and I tried to start her again after bleeding the brakes and take her for a ride. She did what she did to us on the side of 49.
She said she don't want to go nowhere.
Yep.
Today I think it was pretty. We had a pretty good day. We did get things accomplished. We just didn't get it going as well as we would have liked.
No.
We would have liked the truck to start and run consistently, but not much we can do about that. Just gotta be
I
patient.
know.
Tomorrow we get to have fun.
Yeah.
Tomorrow we're taking our oldest daughter. Not this guy. I don't think he's our daughter. We're taking our oldest daughter. Her birthday is tomorrow. She turns 7. She's really excited. So we're gonna take her to Monster Jam. She likes Monster Jam. She likes races. She's awesome. Best girl ever.
Such a princess, yet digs all the.
She is. She's a
tomboy
complete
stuff.
princess, but she wants to be working on cars. She wants to
asked
see how
us-
they work. She wanted to help us today, and we had to tell her no because she's not quite there yet, but she will be soon. I have a
Yeah,
feeling she'll be
I think
under
she
the
should
hoods
be out
next
here
year.
with the plug and plug wires so she can see how
Yeah,
it's done.
I think that'd be a good thing for her to learn about.
Understanding how they,
Get the fan clutch.
how you do it the right way. What?
You realize they could see you playing with your feet.
Yeah, I realize I'm trying to
You
get
talk
my
about
foot up.
fan clutch.
What do you mean fan clutch?
What are you talking about a fan clutch? Then why did you just say flat fan clutch?
Squirrel, alright?
That's just an odd word to randomly say.
Fan clutch.
You're a very, very strange little man.
Blueberry.
So, I guess that'll be it for tonight. We'll probably have some videos tomorrow about Monster Jam and our event tomorrow. We won't be doing any work, just fun time,
Yeah, day off.
celebrating the girl's birthday, letting her have some fun.
That's a big thunderhead right there.
We got more storms coming in.
To the north of us, obviously. It ain't gonna come to us.
Well, all
Ain't
right.
gonna make it right.
You guys have a good night. Say good night, guys.
Night, guys.